This is Cobra. So Cobra is going to be performed face down, so let's get on our bellies. And you want your legs together, the tops of your feet are relaxed on the floor, and each hand you want it next to the chest. So right alongside the chest is where the palms are going to be facing down on the ground, and then you want your elbows tucked in towards your body. And when you're ready for Cobra, you're going to take a breath in as you press up, and you're going to press up within a tolerable range of motion, and you want to stop when you feel some nice resistance in the low back, or you may feel it a little bit higher up. So when you feel that resistance, we want it to remain tolerable. That's when you're going to stop. Okay, so let's give it a go, and we're going to inhale as we press up. And hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale on the way down. Let's do another one. Each time you do this too, you could try to go maybe a little bit further up. Take a big breath in and press. Shoulder blades are coming down and in together. And exhale. And let's try one more. Let's see if we can get these elbows straight. And take a big breath in. And that feels pretty good right there. So that's where I'm gonna stop. Feeling some good resistance in my low back. And exhale. And that is your Cobra.